Here are some of the coolest tech products I've seen so far at CES. This was my first trip ever to CES, so I didn't really know what to expect, but some of these products kind of blew my mind. First up has to be this dual screen laptop from Asus. It has two beautiful 3K OLED displays and comes with this Bluetooth keyboard that you can snap right on and have a normal laptop again. In person, this laptop felt so light to hold, which is the total opposite of this next product, which at first glance looks pretty boring, but trust me, it's not. So this thing is called Parky. It works by sliding underneath your car when you're ready to park, uses this mechanism to pick up the car and then move it into an open parking space. Insane. But not as insane as this real-life hologram. Okay, I gotta chill with the transitions here. So this giant box thing uses multiple cameras and a special display to be able to make a person feel like they're in the room with you. It's not perfect, but it's definitely better than talking to someone on a Zoom call. But what is perfect is this high-tech ice cream machine that lets you make ice cream right in your own home. It's called Cold Snap, and you just have to put in this little can, stick it into the top of the machine, press a button, and in a couple minutes you have perfect soft serve ice cream. This trip has been super fun. I've gotten to meet a bunch of other creators. Let me know if you guys want a part 2 down in the